Hello everyone and welcome to PepperAmmy's Tepache brewing video. Now Tepache is a fermented pineapple drink that is very easy to make and tastes amazing. All we are going to need is pineapple, preferably organic, as we'll be needing the skin, fresh ginger and brown sugar. Optionally, I'm adding some twilight chili peppers to a batch to give it a nice spicy kick. First we want to start by mixing the sugar with the water in the jar. Now only half fill the jar with water to start with, as we are going to be adding the pineapple and other ingredients later on. I'm using around 1 cup of sugar per 1 litre of water. Next we want to add our pineapple and ginger. I'm cutting my pineapple into quarters and removing some of the core down the middle, and then cutting it into slices. And with the ginger I'm just simply cutting it in half and crushing it a little bit. Now we want to leave this somewhere to ferment for a few days, burping the brewing vessel daily. I only left mine for around 2 days as it's been quite warm recently, which speeds up the fermentation process. We now need to remove all of the big items, such as the pineapple, the ginger and the chili, from the liquid. You can eat the pineapple, it tastes quite fizzy and kinda boozy, which, oddly, it's quite nice to eat. Once you have all the liquid, you want to transfer it into bottles and let it sit just like our kombucha and let carbonate for a day or two. You also want to burp the bottles daily. When the carbonation is where you like it, I recommend chilling it and serving it over ice. This is a very, very refreshing drink on a really hot day. All we are going to need for this is pineapple, preferably organic. Yeah. All we're going to need for... We'll need to remove all of the big items like the pineapple and the ginger and, optionally, the chili from the liquid. You can also eat... from the... That sounds so robotic. This is what happens when I improv my scripts. We now need to remove all the big items like the pineapple, ginger and optionally chili. Yeah, if I actually remember where I'm going with this. Now we want to add the pineapple and ginger. I'm cutting my pineapple into quarters, removing some of the rind down the middle, or some of the core,